going on in the grid to their other customers. And at the same time, they were having to build coal plants at an astronomical rate. So that while they shut their nuclear plants and while they were installing all this renewable generation, their emissions went through the roof. So it's been a real problem. I think it's been a lesson. Australia's learned the same lesson, quite frankly, but not as much as Germany has.
Okay, we have a question. Last question.
Last question.
With respect to the development of infrastructure for electric cars in the future, how is it going, I'm assuming that, how is it going to be, I guess, pursued so that the electricity goes into those cars in order to make them an actual environmental benefit and not come from fossil fuels? Like, how is it going to be guaranteed in the meantime that it's not going to be a net cost?
Well, as I said, the environmental transition that we're currently going through is going to be less fossil fuels. Now, I think for the foreseeable future, we do have to keep in mind that the most economic fuel that we currently have is natural gas. It's abundant, it's cheap. You know, at least mine, probably not yours, but that's where we're going to be. I hear you. We talk a lot about in this country about site versus source, right? Is you may have something that's cleaner, but what actually made that product? How carbon intensive was it? So we're talking about fossil fuels in manufacturing. That's the way we think about it. So that's a great question. But I think for the foreseeable future, we'll see a little bit of an uptick in natural gas, just because we're going to see we not only have a lot of coal plant closures in this country, but then the carbon rules will continue that history that we have now of closing coal